So in this video, I'll show you how to make blue with the same background in CapCut. So now import your video. Now here is my video. If I want to make blue with the same background for this video, select the video, right click, go to copy, right click and paste. So now I make duplicate of the video. So now align the video in center. Now select the first video and mute the clip. After you mute the clip, select the second one, go to this video, remove background, and then go to auto removal. So now allow it to finish loading. So after you remove the background like this, so now go ahead and unmute the first clip. After you unmute the first clip, now select the first clip, go to this video, go to basic, scroll to down. So go to this canvas, check on it and click on the arrow beside, scroll to down and click on this option. So go and select this blue. After select the blue, scroll to down and select the blue you want to use. So let's say I want to use this one. So after I select this one, so then go back. So after I select this one, go to this mask. After you go to mask, go to off, add mask. So now select rectangle, scroll to down and select this reverse. So now drag the video to back, like drag the arrow to back like this. So now the background has been blurred. If you want to change the blue, just select the first video, go to video, basic, scroll to down. So here is it now under this option. So you can select the one you want to use for your video. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.